We're currently climbing Mount 360. 360 because of the views, 360 degrees. But we haven't reached the summit yet. It's my first time here. It's everyone's first time. And so far we've ran 2 kilometers, 2.2 to be exact. And it's raining. Feels good. Just couldn't see the view because we lack the golden rays. Yeah. So we're just waiting for the rest over there. Just pour in the rocky. So far the trail is very runnable. It's just muddy. I wore the wrong shoes. Doesn't have sufficient lugs to get the traction. But I'm not complaining. Happy to be here.
Send me new shoes.
Send me new shoes, sponsored. Anyway, I'm excited to see what's up there. And after this, we're gonna go to Mount Batulusong, another runnable trail. I'm also excited for that, even though I've been there like many times. Can't get enough. Right. Hopefully you enjoy the view. Hello, Eric.
Next time, ganun. Hola. So that's Simon, Arop,
She's so strong.
and Bor. Hello.
Oh, sorry.
Look at the view. Alright, so go ahead, Simon.
Finally made it to the summit of Mount 360. Thank you, producer, for forcing me to this segment. Beautiful view. At least we get some clear here. But you can see the fog like moving and blanketing the mountains and moving away. Eventually, the forecast also said it's not gonna rain. It's been drizzling here. Hopefully, it's just because we're in the mountains. But when we get down, hopefully it won't be as wet. But I can tell it's wet because the river is murky. Hopefully we get a better view later, get more sun, and a little heat would help. It's a rare occasion that we ask for hotter temperature. But yeah, kind of like freezing right now.
Yo.
done with the first peak, 360. Now we're on our way to Batulusong. We didn't get to take much videos. It's been raining. 5 kilometers total. Easy climb, easy run. Single track. You can't get lost. It just goes up. There's no fork. It's a private land, like I said. That's why there's no fork. There's no other roads that path that goes to other residences. Next one. So that's it. Saw the photo ops now going down from Nanyas Peak back. That's it. We're done for the day, and we'll have our lunch at Cafe Katrina. Probably the highlight of the day.
Hey Walter, strong. And that's our guy at the back. Judy, roll. Yeah.
We got married at a hotel in Michigan. I didn't think it was something I was gonna do again. Nobody ever said it was my second one. Nobody said it was. In the rental car console is down. And we slept in on the car phone.
El hombre Walter, arriba, arriba.
There's gonna rain. We're staring at the ceiling, breathing. And slowly the waves are gonna roll me away, another way. Someday I wanna be drive over that Great Lake shimmering. And at the border they're gonna ask which country we're living in. And I'm gonna say we got hitched that thing here at the curb. And you'll dig out the certificate. And right there on your left hand is that diamond ring. And you spin it on your finger whenever you're thinking about all the guilty feelings